Good morning, children. Welcome to the mesmerizing world of English literature. In today's session, we shall look at the poems prescribed for Standard 9, Term 1 from our Beehive textbook. We shall look at the summary of each and every poem so that it helps you to revise and rethink these topics which were dealt earlier. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The first poem in our Beehive textbook is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. It's a poem with deep implications. It deals with the problem of making a choice. Many times in our life, we are confounded with different choices, and such a choice is often difficult to make. The poem begins with the narrator standing at the fork of the road where the path diverges in the yellow woods. He looks down both paths, wondering which one to take, and is sorry that he cannot take both to enjoy both experiences. The next poem for discussion is Wind, wherein the poet Subramanya Bharati has very beautifully expressed his ideas about both the constructive and destructive aspects of the wind. Here, wind symbolizes the difficulties and challenges that are faced in one's life. The poet describes the power of wind and how it affects our surroundings. It scatters the papers, breaks the windows, and destroys crumbling and old houses. Just as we winnow in order to separate the grain from the husk, in that same manner, wind winnows to separate the strong from the weak. Hence, the poet urges everyone to be physically and mentally strong to face the challenges posed by the wind. The poet even tells us to befriend the wind and suggests that we can face the wind and overcome its consequences if we are strong and determined. The next poem is Rain on the Roof, written by Coates Kinney, where the poet discusses the healing power of rain and informs how rain soothes and comforts an overworked mind. The poem describes the sweet childhood memories of the poet at night when cloud covers the sky and rains gently. The poet lies in his cozy bed listening to the sound of rain droplets on the rooftop of his house. At the same time, there is the memories of his mother checking in on him and looking at him fondly and leaving him to sleep in till the break of dawn, and the music the rain produces while falling upon the shingles continues in the background. The last poem for Term 1 from our Beehive textbook is A Legend of Northland, which is written by Phoebe Cary. This poem teaches us not to be greedy. Rather, we should help the poor and hungry people. The poem is about an old lady who angered Saint Peter because of her greed. One day, Saint Peter came to the little woman's cottage. He was tired and hungry after a long day. He asked the lady to give him a piece of cake. She baked the cake 3 times but refused to give him as the cake appeared too big. This angered Saint Peter. He cursed her and transformed her into a woodpecker who has to bore into hard and dry woods to get food. With this, we conclude our revision of poems. Hope it helped you to recap the poems that you had studied for this term. So good luck, dear children, for your exam, and thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I shall discuss the lessons from our Moments textbook for term 1. Thank you once again.